What is going on with ICE lately? ICE, or U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, has been involved in various recent activities. Here are some key updates. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, it's time to do so right now so that we can continue to bring you more videos of this nature. Please subscribe now. Recent cases and arrests. A San Antonio man, Richard Rindeikis, was sentenced to 10 years in federal prison for transporting 25 illegal aliens inside a tanker trailer. ICE arrested 2 Chinese nationals attempting to defraud elderly New York residents out of tens of thousands of dollars. A Salvadoran national with connections to MS-13 and Barrio 18 transnational gangs was apprehended by ICE Dallas. ICE Buffalo investigation led to the arrest of a Jamestown man charged with threatening to kill a Homeland Security agent. Investigations and sentences. ICE's Homeland Security Investigations, HSI. Newark made 18 arrests of alleged co-conspirators for roles in a drug trafficking organization. A Georgia woman was sentenced for smuggling firearms into Mexico following an ICE Rio Grande Valley investigation. ICE Baltimore investigation led to a decade-long prison sentence for a Prince George's County man convicted of drug conspiracy. How do most courts around the country view these ICE raids? Courts' views on recent ICE raids are largely critical, with concerns about due process, accountability, and civil rights. Here are some key points. Due process concerns. The American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, has criticized ICE's tactics, calling them rogue and warning that no place, including courts, is safe for immigrants. They argue that such raids spread fear in immigrant communities and prevent people from seeking help or participating in their legal cases. Lack of transparency. In a recent incident at the Charlottesville courthouse, plainclothes ICE agents detained 2 men without showing badges or warrants, causing widespread fear and confusion. Legal experts warn that this lack of transparency can lead to panic and make courthouses feel unsafe. Impact on justice system. The raids can hurt both victims and the whole justice system. When immigrants or witnesses fear being arrested by ICE just for showing up, they may avoid court altogether, making it harder to solve crimes or handle legal disputes. Civil rights violations. Civil liberties groups say these actions can lead to racial profiling, violate civil rights, and make immigrants feel unsafe even when attending to basic legal needs. Some of the main legal concerns surrounding ICE raids in courthouses include due process. Everyone has the right to fair treatment under the law, including notification of arrest and access to legal representation. Accountability. When officers don't identify themselves or share key information, it's hard to know if they're following the law. Civil rights. There are worries that raids like these target people unfairly based on how they look, where they're from, or how they speak. Do attorneys and translation companies benefit from these raids? Attorneys and translation companies may benefit from ICE raids in certain ways, although it's essential to consider the context and potential consequences. Benefits for attorneys. Attorneys specializing in immigration law may experience an uptick in demand for their services as employers and individuals navigate the complexities of ICE raids and enforcement actions. Attorneys can represent employers, employees, or individuals affected by ICE raids, providing guidance on rights, obligations, and potential outcomes. Attorneys can help employers develop policies and procedures to ensure compliance with immigration laws and regulations, potentially reducing the risk of future raids or enforcement actions. Benefits for translation companies. ICE raids and enforcement actions may lead to an increased need for translation services, particularly for individuals who do not speak English fluently. Translation companies may provide court interpretation and translation services for individuals facing immigration proceedings, or employers dealing with ICE-related matters. Translation companies can assist with translating documents, such as immigration forms, court documents, or employee records, which may be essential for individuals or employers navigating ICE-related issues. It's crucial to note that while attorneys and translation companies may benefit from ICE raids in certain ways, the primary focus should be on supporting individuals and employers affected by these actions, ensuring their rights are protected, and promoting compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Now, it's your turn. What do you think of these raids by ICE? Should they be permanent? Are they legal in your opinion? Please, let us hear from you in the comments section below.